Hey guys, this is me, Christina Marie. I am here with Zumi, my daughter. It is her birthday today, and we went and purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. This is like nothing I've ever seen, and I love when they come up with new products. Zumi is in the video today because she is obviously a darker skin tone than I am, and so we're going to try it on both skin colors. Let me just kind of give you guys, look at this, a hint. Let me show you guys what they look like. Aren't these absolutely beautiful? Now let's go ahead and swatch them. I'm going to swatch them on Zumi's arm real quick and show you what they look like. The first color I'm swatching here is Magic. The second color I'm swatching is Regal. Third color is Sunshine. Next color is Ethereal. And if we get close up, get a little bit closer, you can see how beautifully delicious. Next color is Wish. And the last one is called Unicorn. Look at the luminosity of these colors. They have a very, very fine micro glitter. This is what I am wearing in my eyes as well, and I will show you guys that close-up video of my eyes. They do get 100 times more pigmented when you wet them. So let's go ahead and see what Unicorn looks like on the eyes. I just put it on a packer brush here and place it on this portion of my eyelid. I'm going to take Ethereal and place it on the other half. Now let's go to the other eye and do it wet. Okay, so my brush is wet, and oh wow. Okay, so obviously when you dampen your brush a little bit, it comes on a lot more pigmented. Let's go with Ethereal on the corner. It's like night and day difference with the brush just a tad bit damp versus not damp. Look at that. Okay, for Zumi, we're gonna go ahead and go with this peachy shade, and it's called Regal. So let's go ahead and just add this into her cheek area so you guys can see what it looks like. I am not wetting the brush. This is actually like a peach highlighter. No, pink and gold, actually. Pink and gold. What do you think of this color, Zumi?
I like it.
You like it? Okay, I'm going to take the same color, the Regal, and put it on my cheek. All I have is a bronzer on right now. You guys can see. So show them like this, Zumi, with the, you see how the light reflects off a lot? Wow. Guys, I don't think it actually picks up how peach it is, because in person, I'm looking and it's beautiful, beautiful peach color. And Zumi, if she gets close, let's see if it picks up. You guys can see how it looks different on me than it does her. Let's go ahead and do a different color on the other cheek. So on the next cheek, we're going to try the Sunshine color, which is this beautiful, like more yellow toned. Gonna try it on Zumi first. It's very, very gold, but it does have some reflectance of a pink glitter. That's really, really pretty. Like when you go sideways, you guys see the beautiful reflectance. This is very gold, and it looks really pretty on her. So let's go ahead and see if this color looks pretty on my skin tone. I don't wear deep golds for my skin tone. I wear more like white gold, and this gold is absolutely stunning on my skin tone and Zumi's skin tone. Now if I'm comparing both of the cheeks as I'm looking in the mirror here, they look amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try a different color but in her eyes, since we already did it on my eyes. So I'm gonna take the whiter shade in the palette, which is right here. This is called Magic, and I'm just gonna apply this in Zumi's lids with a dry brush. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like in the lids. Close your eyes. Wow, so this is a lighter highlighter, but it does have that pink glitter in it as well, which is so beautiful. Now it does say that you can combine these and build them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a different color right on top of this, and we're gonna see what that looks like. But I'm thinking that all of these do have like a pink reflectant in them, a pink glitter in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with Wish on her lids. Wish is the gold color right here. You guys can see that in the palette. Let's just go ahead and put it on her lids, since it says that we can build them. And as I'm putting the Wish in the lids, it's kind of lightening it a little bit more brighter. Okay guys, so I absolutely love this palette. I think this is very, very different than what's out there. I love this palette. It is $45. Now Zumi, on the other hand, is not really into like blingy highlighters like this, but it does come, they do come with a punch, a big punch. And there is a big difference from one color to the other, even though I think on camera it doesn't pick it up as much. I think that this is a great versatile palette. You guys saw up close how it looks when it's dry versus wet, but even just dry on her eyelid, you can see like when she moves that she looks like she has a wet eyeshadow on. It's a very, very becoming summer look. Actually, it's year round depending on your look. Okay, Zumi, so what do you think of the highlighters?
They're very glittery.
They're very glittery? Do you like very glittery?
No.
So she's not a very glittery person. If you guys like a lot of glitter, or I can't even say that it's a glitter. It's a micro glitter. It kind of just melts onto the skin. Okay, so yes, she said that they're very, very glittery, which they have quite a bit of like micro glitter, but it's not like a chunky glitter where it stands out. It kind of just melts into the skin, but when you do hit the light, you do get some reflectance of glitter. I think this is a game changer. I would go get this. I think it's absolutely stunning. I could only find this at Ulta. It was $45, and they were sold out. I got the last palette. But I think this is worth it. It's something that's going to be interesting and fun, because you can see in my eyes that it gives you like that foiled look when you wet your brush, which I think is so beautiful. I was debating on getting the more Milani liquid eyeshadows, but I decided to get this because really for $45, you're paying a lot less for each color here, and they're very, very pigmented when you wet them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, hit the little subscribe button down there and the tiny little bell next to it, and wish Zumi a happy birthday. She turned 15, and we are gonna go have, where are we gonna go?
IHOP.
She wants to go to IHOP for
Her birthday.
To eat.
Oh, to eat pancakes.
She wants pancakes for her birthday. So I am Christina Marie, and this is
Zumi.
and we're out.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I like it.
So Zumi and I wanted to show you the makeup in the actual daylight outside. So I'm gonna get close up. You guys can see how pigmented it is. The shine, and then on Zumi, the shine. I think she wiped her cheeks a lot. You wipe it off?
No.
Close your eyes, and then show them with the face. So we're gonna go get some pancakes at IHOP for her birthday. Yay! Bye.